Are you a part of the 75% of Americans who experience moderate to high stress levels in the past month? Stress is extremely common in today's world. With the growing amount of people experiencing high stress comes research techniques on how to relieve that stress. Research states that decreased stress can have a psychological and physical health benefit. So today, let us take a look at decreasing stress. First, by discovering how excessive stress can negatively affect your life. Second, by presenting tips on how to cope with an episode of stress. Thirdly, by displaying the advantages of deep breathing and how it can positively affect your life. And finally, by practicing deep breathing techniques to help you reduce stress today. Not dealing with stress can lead to a plethora of health and life problems. According to Medical News Today, posted March 12, 2020, a constant state of stress can increase a person's risk of type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Depression, anxiety, and other mental health conditions can also develop when stress becomes chronic. As stated by Psychology Today, posted September 29, 2017, stress spills into our personal lives in many ways, affecting the quality of our close relationships with our loved ones. These are just a few ways that stress can completely overcome you and your life. Because of the many risks associated with experiencing high stress, you should consider ways to help decrease and adapt to the stress around you.
In 2015, there was a study that found 77% of all of our health issues are due to stress, which is why health experts think it's important to address your stress and find helpful coping skills to overcome it. In 2000,
There are many different ways to decrease the amount of stress in your life. One of the most common and effective techniques is to practice deep abdominal breathing. According to the American Institute of Stress, posted August 10, 2012, abdominal breathing 20 to 30 minutes each day will reduce anxiety and stress. Deep breathing increases the supply of oxygen to your brain and stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes a state of calmness. Whenever you are feeling overwhelmed by stress, you should take a minute and practice deep breathing to help calm your mind and body. Apply deep breathing whenever you can and wherever you can. You should also be consistent in practicing the deep breathing technique because you will not be receiving the best stress relief you possibly can if you don't. Deep breathing not only helps with stress, but is extremely beneficial in other ways as well. According to Healthline, posted September 25, 2018, diaphragmatic breathing or deep breathing has a ton of benefits, including lowering your blood pressure and heart rate, helping reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, and reducing insomnia. Retrieved from Dr. Axe, posted February 18, 2020, a 2017 study investigated the effects of diaphragmatic breathing or deep breathing on cognition and cortisol responses to stress, found that regularly practicing deep breathing can improve attention, decrease exhaustion, and contribute to emotional balance and social adaptation. Just by incorporating this technique, you will see mental and physical health benefits in the future. The University of Michigan Medicine gives us a walkthrough on how to properly practice deep breathing. So today, let us sit together and practice what the University of Michigan Medicine suggests. Sit in a comfortable position. Put one hand on your belly just below your ribs and another on your chest. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let your belly push your hand out, like so. Your chest should not move. Breathe out through pursed lips as if you were whistling. Feel the hand on your belly go in and use it to push all the air out. Do this 3 times with me. Notice how you feel now that you've practiced that exercise. You should feel calm and relaxed. If you don't feel relaxed, keep practicing. The more you incorporate deep breathing, the better you will feel. In conclusion, stress affects more than just your mental health. It also affects your physical, cognitive abilities, and even relationships. People who want to reduce stress should incorporate breathing techniques into their daily routine. Remember, the more you practice, the more results you will experience. And lastly, don't let stress control your life. You need to take control of stress so you have control over your life. Thank you.